Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Parler. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to write the name here. So I'm going to write the name here. So let's write that. And after that, we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see now the website is here. Now simply we have to open this. So I'm going to open it. So as you can see, after clicking on this, here's the option for the login. So firstly, we have to create an account. So I'm going to click on the login and I'm going to accept these. So we have to write an email here. So I'm going to write my email address here. So let's write that. So as you can see, I have sent an email. So we have to check out the code. We have to verify it. So as you can see, I have copied my code and now simply we have to paste the code here. I'm going to paste this and now simply we have to write the same email here. And now simply we have to click on the go. So as you can see now simply I have opened this and now simply we have to click on the login portal. So let's click on this. So as you can see, these are the username and email address, both are mentioned here. If you want to write the bio, you can also do that. And then simply we have to click on the next. And now as you can see, we have to read these all carefully. And after that, we have to hit the accept. So let's click on this accept. And now we will be redirected to the next. So as you can see, our Parler account is created. Now as you can see, now each and everything is here. Now you can create your account in this way. Now you can go to your profile, you can search for anything and you can see everything in trending as well. So in this way you can create your account on Parler. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your account on Parler. So see you guys in the next video.